Welcome to Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden. Here we have 83 acres of paradise with incredibly beautiful, world-renowned landscape design. We are a museum of tropical plants collected from all over the world, and our location here in Miami is perfect for showcasing many of the world's most amazing plants. Our work at Fairchild is in botany, the study of plants. We seek to better understand plants and how they work, and to put plants to work for people, giving us more of the things that we need to survive, like food and oxygen, and the things we enjoy, like beautiful orchids and delicious mangoes. As a living museum and as leaders in conservation, we are also saving plants for future generations. Our garden celebrates the legacy of Dr. Fairchild, one of the greatest food explorers of all time. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, Dr. Fairchild traveled the world in search of new food plants to revolutionize American agriculture. Now, our work with international partners continue to bring in new plants for everyone to see, study, and enjoy. Thank you for coming. I'm so glad you're here, and I hope you enjoy exploring with us.